Look at the automation explained by print manufacturers and what you hear at expos. Everywhere, everybody seems to forget the necessity of a cleaning process which is effective and efficient, energy-wise and also work-wise. Once you build the ROI with the holistic view of how to optimize these processes, you will be surprised about the extra 8 to 10% productivity that you can gain on the printing machines. And investing in cleaning automation should be exactly that, rather than one that leaves you with the feeling that you're throwing good money after an area you'd rather be without. At FlexWash, we are happy to stand by your side and take you through a more holistic approach to investing in cleaning equipment to ensure that you get it right first time.